Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the modern front door design ideas for 2024. So friends, front doors are designed to be functional and aesthetically pleasing, as this house as the home's first impression for visitors. And front doors comes in many styles and designs from simple and modern and ornate and decorative. They can be made from various materials including wood, steel, fiberglass, and glass. In addition to their designs, front doors are also important to provide security and installation for the home. Many front doors are with lock and other security features to help to protect the home and from intruders. Flush doors are very feasible option for front doors. Front door design is plays important role in the aesthetic and functionality and overall ambience of home, and it serves as the focal point and leaving of lasting impression. The right front door design can seamlessly blend with the architectural style and whatever its classic or Victorian and modern minimalistic home. Front door design when executing thoughtfully also it's contribute to security and installation, and well-crafted door not only disturb and intruders but also ensure energy efficiency by preventing drafts and heat loss. Moreover, front door design is not just limited to the door itself and the surroundings elements such as door frames and handles and even choice of materials. The choice of wood, metal or glass can be dramatically impact the overall aesthetic and functionality. In front door design is multifaceted aspect of home improvement. It is a fact of face your home and the statement of your style. Therefore, investing well considered front door design is not just enhancement but fundamental element. It's creating harmonious and inviting living space. Keep in your mind some requirements prefer to looking through all the doors options available in the market, and you make perfect decision that choose your place with your doors, and you have to wide ranges of option to decide from whatever your physical appearance and texture or quality. Front doors hold a lot of importance in terms of aesthetic appeal of your house, so make it smart decision. Bond doors, the boiling waterproof flush doors called bond doors, and perfectly balanced between price and quality with 15 years of warranty. The product using specially selected and chemical treated timber. These doors are strong, durable and bend-proof and slam-proof. Next one is the scenic doors. You know how to pay and fortune these boiling waterproof doors from the 7 years warranty, and these doors environment friendly doors and resistant to changing climatic conditions. Thanks to these slam-proof and bend-proof and swell-proof doors, your home is secure. Even is consumers our flush doors and pleased to with the product because it's the best terms of quality and affordability. If you want to be more creative with your front doors and the vast ranges of added elegance and general splendor your home, in that case let us know other types of doors, and this ad doors features various details, and melamine door skin is white pyramid skin are the two different styles of panels and molded doors and skin that best complements the style and color of your